wanted to do a quick update with you guys with what's going on with my wholesale journey. So last week I released a video telling you that I was going to stop working with that wholesaler and all that stuff, and that I was going to get a lot busy, and so I will not have time to work on another thing. I'm going to do a quick recap for you guys because it's been a while, right? We're going to do a quick recap, but I'm going to tell you what has been going on since last week, what I did and what they did, right? If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube, usually about online arbitrage, but I'm trying to get a little bit more into wholesale, and so this is why I release these videos on wholesale as well. So pretty much last week, okay, if you remember, I had some issues with my order. No, impossible to get an update on my order. Tried to call multiple times. I was hung up on. If you want to see more about that, watch that video. Once again, I want to be 100% clear on that. It's not like, I don't think it's my rep's fault. I think my rep's is actually a decent rep, and he's not a bad actor. The rep is not a bad actor. The company is actually bad, with a lot of the ways they deal with things. So pretty much I was not able to get an ETA on my order. Some of my friends that are doing wholesale told me that, yeah, it's normal to ask for ETA and it's normal to receive ETA actually on your order, right? So impossible to get an answer. So what I did is I said, you know what, let me send them an email, and I told them that, hey, I do not really feel, and I don't know if I actually told you that in the last video, but I'm going to tell you what I told them, okay? So I said, hello, name of my rep. I appreciate your previous response regarding the order. However, I want to fill you in on what has happened since I sent you the email yesterday. Because I basically called, I'm not going to read everything. It's kind of long. If you want to see it, it's kind of long, okay? You know what, just, here we go. Just take a screenshot if you want to see it. So yeah, I explained that I called and that they hung up on me multiple times, and I did not really feel comfortable proceeding with the order because I already paid for the deposit, and I just asked, just cancel the order, refund me my deposit, and let's just work from there. You know, we don't care about the rest. What they did after that, because I sent this email after the rep told me that, you know, he was going to reach out back to me on Friday. No. I know the rep is Jewish, and I know like a lot of their rep are Jewish, so I know that it was going to be Shabbat. So what I did is at 9 a.m. At 9 a.m. on the Friday, I actually sent that email, right? At 9 a.m. here, which is 3 a.m. in the US, right? Because I know that it was going to be Shabbat. Maybe they were going to leave early, and he said that he was going to reply to me on that day, on that Friday. He actually didn't, okay? And so this is why, since I did not receive an answer, I said, you know what? It's Shabbat, and then it's the weekend, so it's not going to work. Let me wait until Monday, and if he doesn't answer until Monday, you know what? I'm just going to forget about it, do a chargeback, and let's just keep going with my life. Use the money that I was holding for that wholesale order, because this is the thing also. I was sitting on some money that I should have spent on online arbitrage that I kept for this wholesale order, okay? I was sitting on that money. And I said, you know what? Let me just spend that money on online arbitrage leads and just keep going with my online arbitrage business, and then after the week that we are currently in, right? Because he hasn't answered. It was like I was expecting to have him answer at least on Monday, which he did not do. So I said, you know what? Because I'm going to be really busy. So the date is video release. Okay, so it's Friday. I'm getting married tomorrow, so I have a lot of shit to do. I had a lot of shit to do, and only after that I'll be able to get back into wholesale talks, more wholesaler, because I did not want to work with 10 wholesalers at the same time. I said, you know what? I found them. Their catalogs look great. Let me look at them, and then focus 100% on them, build my relationship with them, and then move to another supplier. When I've maxed out my relationship with them, right? So that was my goal. It's not going to be possible because of what happened. And the thing that I said in the previous video was, if I don't plan to place a second order with them, and I really don't plan to, since all the stuff that had happened, with how difficult it was with the receptionist and all that stuff. I said, if I'm not going to place a second order with them, then just cancel and just forget about it, right? So that was the thought process. So what happened later is the rep actually sent me, let me see, sent me an email, and let me get it to you. Let me see. And he said, yeah, hi Chris, I just now saw this email as I was preparing to send you the update that your order is ready to ship. the update that it was supposed to send me was on Friday. So this is, I received this yesterday. It's Thursday, so it's 6 days after it was supposed to actually send it to me, right? Please see attached. The method is on the back order. In light of reading your email, you can give me a call tomorrow afternoon to further discuss. I apologize for the mishap with the receptionist, and I wonder which receptionist this is out of character for our company, and it's important for us to get the bottom of this. Again, please call me tomorrow afternoon to discuss further. So, you know, that's I don't know what to think about that. I don't know what to think about that email, because as I said, the main thing is that I know that he is not a bad actor. The only thing that I don't really appreciate is the time that it takes to actually get back, 6 days, like it's just an email when you were supposed to get back to me Friday. However, I don't think that the rep is a bad actor. Once again, the rep may be busy and it's 100% normal. But like my issue is with the rest of the company, and like, to be honest, I don't know. I don't really know if I trust the company to work with them doing wholesale in the future and spend even more money, because this was just a 4,500 something order. Yes, it's still a lot of money, and yes, I gave them a deposit, and like, you do not like to be played like this, especially with the people that you need to deal with when you're on the phone. Like, you really get pissed off. So that's the quick update on the wholesale thing. So I did the chargeback. I haven't even had the chance. I did the chargeback on Monday. He actually sent me the email on Thursday. I haven't had a chance to reply because I haven't thought about my reply yet, and because of all the business that is around. Maybe I'm going to update you. Like, I'll probably reply after the wedding, which is tomorrow. A lot of things to do, even after I'm done with this video. I need to get everything scheduled for the weekend. I have some calls today in a couple of hours, also for the business, and then after that, 100% on the wedding until tomorrow. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Since the wedding is tomorrow, you still have until tomorrow to get the $600 off on Arbitrage Stalker. Best promotion ever, probably never again. Maybe when my first kid is born, I don't know. We'll see, we'll figure it out, if God's willing. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.